Are you ready to snap into your environment like never before? Introducing the DJI Action to Dual Screen Combo, a compact powerhouse designed to capture life's most thrilling moments. With its innovative magnetic design, effortlessly switch out accessories and explore creative ways to film your adventures. No room for bulky gear, no problem. The ultra-compact DJI Action takes up minimal space in your travel bag, ensuring you're always ready for action. With the magnetic lanyard and magnetic headband, effortlessly wear the lightweight camera on your head or chest as you capture the world around you in stunning detail. Prepare to be amazed by the footage that speaks for itself. Record buttery smooth 4K 120fps video with richer details than ever before, thanks to Action 2's ultra-wide field of view. Capture more of your surroundings as you explore, ensuring every moment is immortalized in breathtaking clarity. Share-worthy content is just a tap away with the DJI Mimo app's AI editor, which effortlessly selects and combines your epic moments with flawless transitions and upbeat music. Plus, with robust waterproofing and built-in storage, the Action 2 is ready to make a splash on all your aquatic adventures. Upgrade your filming game and unleash your action with the DJI Action to Dual Screen Combo.